Hi, I'm Vaidyanathan from Vox, and Vox is a European company, and we are in India for the last 3.5 years. And Vox is from Poland in Europe, and right now we export to more than about 60 countries, and we are in India for the last 3.5 years. We've done more than about 2,500 projects, and we are in the space of ceilings, wall paneling, external facades, skirtings, as well as acoustic solutions. I can show you around the products. Can we just have a look at some of our main product categories? Our most popular category is actually the soffits, which is a Vox soffits, which you see here, where we have around 6 different colors. It resembles wood and touches and feels like wood without the problems of wood. And the second product that we have is actually for external facades, and right here, this is called the Vox Max 3 facade system, and these are UV protected, can be used for external surfaces. And we also have the matching trims, and we have around 6 colors in this which look like wood, and you have all the matching trims in Max 3. Then we have a really the best solution that you can buy for facades. Vox Kerafront is the wonderful product, and you have a very good touch and feel of this particular product. It really speaks of the luxury, and you will not have any kind of gaps, you will not have rivets, you will not be able to see the rivets, and it's a very seamless kind of wood finish. And you also have the trims which are in internal corners, external corners, everything in the same kind of finish. So you get a wonderful finish for as an architect or interior designer should you use our products. And we have, this is a product here, and then we also have acoustic solutions from one of the best companies in the world, which is Rockfon. And as you can see here, Rockfon is part of the Rockwool group, and these are acoustic solutions with very high NRC level of 0.85 and above, and they got A1 fire resistance, and they also have RH100 humidity factor, which means it will not absorb moisture content and it will not turn yellow and black. Then we also have external facades, which is Kera Deco, which is for internal solutions. This is for internal wall solutions. We have around 20 different colors in this. And we are very happy to tell you in the last 3.5 years, we have worked on excellent projects. We have worked in schools, we have worked in hospitals, we have worked for residential, we have worked some of the premium film stars, their house as well as their offices we have done. And we have worked with most of the architects. We'll be very happy to work with the rest of the architects as well. And for example, recently, 3 days ago, one of our projects that we had done, Jayadeva Hospital, was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So we're very proud to be associated with all these products. Vishkarma is a wonderful website that we have been introduced to. I think it's a lovely idea where you bring along architects, interior designers, and as well as suppliers like ours. And we'll really be happy to be associated with Vishkarma and look forward the very best to Vishkarma for their wonderful products that they have built along. You can call it a product. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.